Hi everyone, it's Nishka from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and welcome to another exciting collection reveal. In this video, we will unbox the Twilight Castle collection. I am super excited. I have not seen this collection in person yet, but wait until you see the inspo image because that is just absolutely stunning and full of just delicious colors. In case you're new here, Eureka Crystal Beads is a small bead shop. We've been around for 20 years. We are family owned and operated, and we love putting together beautiful color palettes inspired by some of the most amazing images out there. What we do with these collections is release them every month. They are not a subscription. You can grab one if you feel inspired. You can grab a few of the items only instead of the whole thing because we have everything listed on our website. So if you enjoy this color palette, go ahead and grab the collection. And if you don't, you can wait for the next one. We release full-size collections the first Thursday of every month. And then we have light collections that come out in the middle of each month, usually the middle Monday around the 15th. And those who have been around know these tend to sell out. So if you like the color palette, go ahead and grab it before they are all gone. Wow, look at all this stuff. Let me get organized and we will go through everything one at a time. First, we have our beautiful inspiration image. And I just love the interplay of these colors. Sunset, oranges, purple mountains in the back, blues, some greens. It's absolutely stunning. And then we have our inspiration paragraph. Just chills. It's very, very beautiful. And it just makes you feel inspired, doesn't it? And inside here, as always, we have our Twilight Castle collection full product list. So, on to the beads. As always, we begin our unboxing with seed beads. Seed beads really make the backbone of this collection, and we have 5 different products here. Starting with number 1, very beautiful galvanized yellow gold, 5 grams in this bag of 15-0 seed beads from Miyuki. Gorgeous. Very, very versatile and just a great way to start off a castle collection. Next, we have 10-gram bag of 11-0 seed beads. These are Duracoat galvanized matte champagne, and these are also from Miyuki. So this is a nice grounding color, and the matte is also very, very versatile to use with a lot of projects. Next, we have a custom mix of 11-0 Miyuki rounds, and unsurprisingly, it's called the Twilight Castle Mix. And doesn't it just have this beautiful selection of blues and purples and greens and some really, really nice texture with the silver-lined beads in here as well. It has a little bit of a Mardi Gras feel. Just throw in some of that gold together with it and it really will pop. This is a 10-gram bag and it is absolutely beautiful. Next, we have an 8-gram bag of 8-0 Miyuki, and these are round seed beads, and this is also Duracoat galvanized matte champagne, so it's the same color as these here. A nice selection of sizes, 15, 11, and 8. And finally, we have another stunning, unique mix. And this is the Twilight Castle mix of Miyuki Delicas. These are 11 seed beads. This is an 8-gram bag, and like I mentioned, that pop of gold with those beautiful blues, purples, and greens is just absolutely stunning, isn't it? So for those who are new to beading, Delicas are a cylindrical shaped bead. As you can see here, they're really, really good for all sorts of applications. If you're doing brick stitch or loom work, these are going to snap together like little bricks. So here are our seed beads for the Twilight Castle collection. Next is our Czech glass section, and this collection has a lot of unique things going on with the Czech glass. So first, on the strand, we have 2 strands of fire polish. These beauties right here. And these are really gorgeous. We have this beautiful bronze opaque red iris luster. Yeah, that's kind of a mouthful for a color, but as you know, that's par for the course for these fire polish colors. And this is a 2mm sized bead, and the strand has 50 beads on it. And this one is the saturated metallic kale. So it's a metallic green and absolutely beautiful as well. This is a larger size. You are getting the 3mm in this color, and it's also 50 beads on the strand. The next strand we have is this really cool, unique pinch beads. These are a really interesting shape, as you can see here. They are like, I guess they're called pinch beads because they seem like you kind of took a bead and smushed it between your fingers. I actually love pinch beads. They are super cool. And this is a luster opaque green. And these are also 50 beads on the strand. A nice, kind of reminds me of mossy castle walls, right? Like stone. Very pretty. And next up, we have a round druck bead. This is a luster iris sapphire. You get 100 beads on this strand. And I just love this kind of glow. You can kind of see this irisy finish on it. Really, really pretty. Druck beads are pressed round glass beads. Next up is Czech glass in tubes. So a lot of our 2-hole beads, well, actually most of them come in tubes. So a few that come on strands like daggers, but mostly it's in tubes. And we have the mini duo here in this really beautiful bronze color. And we also have this bar bead. And yeah, it definitely gives you that sort of mossy stone effect. So it's really going to be a great way to anchor down some of the more brighter peacocky colors that are also in this collection. And of course, you know, bronze is always going to be a beautiful neutral to use. And next we have Krakowski crystals. And we have so many in this collection that they barely even fit in this triangle tray. Look at all of this sparkle, my goodness. So you are going to get these step cut rectangular crystals. You're getting 6 of these. And look how cool these are. These are like more or less kind of new on the newish side. We did introduce a couple of colors, and we heard from you guys that you wanted more. So here they are. This is a green sphinx color, and just look at that sparkle. Oh my God. It's absolutely beautiful. So these are 8 by 10 millimeter, and you're getting 6 of them. We also have a sapphire fancy cushion stone, and you're getting 2 of those. And those are in 12 millimeter size. These guys right here. This one and this one. And yeah, isn't that so pretty? This sapphire blue. And then, of course, tanzanite. I love the tanzanite. These are Rivolis. These are 16 millimeter. And then let's not forget the green Sphinx ovals. These are 10 by 14 millimeter. So it is just a riot of color and sparkle over here with the Krakowski crystal stones. And that's not everything from the Krakowski crystal. We also have a full strand of Krakowski crystal pearls. So these are going to be a cream rose light color. You're getting 65 6 millimeter pearls in this collection. And aren't these just gorgeous? And that's not it for crystal. We also have Preciosa bicones in this collection. This is another mix. This is the Twilight Castle bicone mix. And these are 48 4 millimeter Preciosa crystal bicones. And again, they are pulling a lot of the same greens and purples and blues with some super sparkly, it looks like moonlight finish or some kind of super sparkly crystal in the mix as well. Yeah, look at that rainbow effect. Gorgeous. And there's one more strand of crystal. These are our Chinese crystal rondelles, and this is a beautiful lilac opal. These are 3 by 2 millimeter. And to top it all off, at the end, we always show off the findings. And these, almost all of these, I believe they are from Gleam Craft. So they are beautiful, brand name findings. You get a toggle clasp in gold. You get a lobster claw clasp, always useful. Also in gold plated. It's actually 18 karat gold plated. You get these really beautiful textured rectangle huggy hoop earrings. These are also 18 karat gold plated. After all, this is a castle collection, so it's gotta be nice. And I absolutely love these. You know what they made me think of is those like door knocker earrings that were really popular. I'm dating myself here, but like in the early 90s, these are like a miniature, more elevated version of that kind of style. And I absolutely love these and can't wait to do a project with these guys. And of course, ear wires, which always come in handy. These are also from Gleam Craft, and they are also 18 karat gold. And these are these really beautiful leaf beads, 18 karat gold plated also. And these are really, really pretty. It's going to make a really nice little details on things. And finally, 18 karat gold plated jump rings. So that's nice to have in your stash. That's a pack of 50 here. Always a lot of little extra stuff at the end just to make it easier to get started on a project right away. And so here it is, the full Twilight Castle collection. Beautiful colors. They're screaming Mardi Gras. They're saying to me, spring is around the corner. What are you going to do with these gorgeous greens, blues, purples, and golds? And stay tuned because we will show you what we're going to do. There are going to be some really great projects coming up on our channel. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And also leave us a comment. We always love to hear what you think about our collections, what you'd like to see. If you have any suggestions, we are all ears. So please do not hesitate. Leave us a comment below. Anyway, we will see you in the next video coming soon at Eureka Crystal Beads YouTube channel. Bye!